Nothing's new wireless headset, launch set for September 24th. Nothing is ready to release a new product this month, as over the long period, the company's provided hints about a new product without unveiling any specific details. The latest teaser posted by the company indicates that the UK startup, led by OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei, is set to introduce a new wireless audio headset with an open-ear design soon. Taking to X, Nothing on September 17, 2024, shared a brief clip of two rounded cables bumping against each other. Moreover, the post involves the text "out in the open," along with a confirmation that the company would launch a new product on September 24, 2024. Meanwhile, there are no additional details on the company's website. The curved components hinted at in the post on X seem part of an open-ear headset, relatable to the ear loop seen on the Soundcore AeroFit Pro or the Shox OpenFit Air. A listing on the IMDA website indicated that the company could soon launch a product dubbed as Nothing Ear Open. Open-ear wireless earphones are developed to remain further away from your ear canal, allowing you to listen to media while also remaining aware of your surroundings while reducing ear fatigue. Meanwhile, Nothing doesn't provide a pair of truly wireless stereo earphones with an open-ear design, and the latest post from the company contains two hints: the word "open" itself, along with the part of the product displayed in the brief video that indicate if the upcoming product will be its first product in the open-ear category. The only other true wireless stereo headset released by the company that doesn't sport silicone tips is now the discontinued Nothing Ear Stick, introduced in 2022.